Top reasons to start a soda ash manufacturing business. Opportunities in the sodium carbonate industry. Greetings from our channel. Today, we are going to explore the realm of soda ash manufacturing, and more specifically, the reasons why business owners ought to think about launching a soda ash production company that produces both light and dense soda ash, often referred to as sodium carbonate. This sector presents fantastic prospects for both new and seasoned business owners. Let's examine the motivations, uses, advantages, and benefits of this prospective business, as well as the necessary investments and market projections. Motivation for commencing soda ash production. High demand. Soda ash is an essential raw material used in many sectors, such as chemicals, detergents, and glassmaking. Stable market conditions are ensured by steady demand. Wide range of uses. Soda ash is employed in the manufacturing of paper, food processing, and water treatment. This adaptability increases the pool of possible clients. Growing sectors. Urbanization and rising consumer demand are fueling the growth of the glass and detergent sectors, which in turn is driving up demand for soda ash. Import substitution. Local production of soda ash can lessen reliance on imports, promoting national self-sufficiency and possibly cutting expenses. Applications. Glass manufacturing. Soda ash is a vital component in the creation of glass, which is used to make screens, windows, and bottles. Soaps and detergents, used as a cleaning agent and in the creation of different cleaning supplies for the home. Chemical industry provides a starting point for the synthesis of several chemicals, including salt compounds. Water treatment aids in the softening and purifying of water for use in cities and industries. Food industry, used as a pH regulator and food additive. Advantages or benefits. Economic viability. The manufacture of soda ash is profitable and in great demand due to its variety of applications. Environmental impact. Using contemporary manufacturing methods results in a less environmental impact, which makes them a more sustainable choice. Technological advancements. Product quality and efficiency are increased by technological innovations in production. Investment overview. Plant or machinery, 128 crore. Cost of project, 257 crore. The production of soda ash demands a large initial investment, but given the market need and development potential, the returns might be tremendous. India or global market outlook. Because of rising urbanization and industrialization, the soda ash market in India is predicted to expand. The market for soda ash is expected to grow globally due to improvements in manufacturing technology and growing demand in emerging nations. Because of its promising future, it appeals to business owners who want to get into a steady and expanding market. Business opportunities. Export potential. There are lots of chances for export due to the growing worldwide demand. Strategic alliances. Working together with sectors that use soda ash helps guarantee a consistent market. Novel products. Creating novel uses and soda ash derivatives can lead to the opening of new market niches. In conclusion, soda ash, light or dense, manufacturing companies offer rich opportunities for startup owners. The market forecast for the sodium carbonate manufacturing business is favorable due to its broad range of applications, increasing demand, and promising growth. Despite being hefty, the required investment offers substantial returns. Making soda ash is a great business to start if you want to work in a vital and lucrative field. I appreciate you seeing. If you thought this video is useful, then subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with others to get more insights on profitable business ideas.